Hi, my name is Shawn Simpson. I'm the behavior coach here at Woodgate Intermediate. What's important to know about me is that I am here for your kiddo for anything they need. They know this is the safe place that they can come. They can share their thoughts. If they're angry, upset, mad, frustrated, just lost, they know that they can come here. My door is always open for them. They also know that if I come to a room and ask to see a kiddo, that's a good thing. I'm the step before they get in trouble, before they go see a principal. So they know that's a good thing. When I pull them out, they know it is to help them. My first question is always, what can I do to help you, or what do you need? So they learn very quickly that they can come to me, they can trust me, that what is said in here does not leave this room, whether that's a conversation about them getting frustrated in the class, at a teacher, at a student, whatever it is, they know it never leaves this room, that it is definitely a safe place. They can come, they can talk to me. So please know that you also have that option. If you ever need to get a hold of me, the best way is probably shawn.simpson@midwayisd.org. You can also call the school and ask for me by name. I'm not very often in my office. I'm all over the place. So leave me a message, shoot me an email, and I promise I will contact you definitely within 24 hours, usually within that day. I don't like kiddos and I don't like parents to let things fester and sit, so I definitely try and get a hold of people right then, because we can diffuse most of those things right away where you're not frustrated, they're not frustrated. So if you have a student that's coming home telling you stuff and they're scared to tell someone at school, please let them know I am definitely that person. I will get it to whoever it needs to go to, or we will take care of it right away. So please know my door is always open. If you need anything, if your student needs anything, I am 100% here for them. I am that safe place. I'm whatever they need, kind of in that sense. So it's going to be a great year. I'm excited to be here, and please use me in any way you need to. Thanks.